What it means to have cotton, lint, in your belly button. Belly button lint is a common and harmless phenomenon. It is also known as navel fluff. Lint mostly comes from clothing fibers. Cotton fabrics are the most common source. Wool and synthetic fibers can also contribute. Friction between clothes and skin loosens fibers. Body hair plays a major role in lint collection. Hair acts like tiny hooks that guide fibers inward. Studies show men often collect more lint due to abdominal hair. The belly button's shape traps particles easily. An innie navel collects more lint than an outie. The navel acts like a small pocket. Movement during walking increases fiber shedding. Tight clothing increases friction and lint formation. Older clothes shed more fibers. New cotton garments may produce more visible lint. Dark clothing often creates darker belly lint. Lint color usually matches clothing color. Sweat can make fibers stick together. Dead skin cells mix with fibers. Natural body oils help bind lint particles. Dust particles can also get trapped. The navel is a warm area. Warmth encourages accumulation. The belly button is a natural scar from the umbilical cord. Its folded structure makes cleaning harder. Poor hygiene can increase buildup. Daily bathing reduces lint accumulation. Lint itself is not a disease. It does not usually indicate a health problem. Excess buildup may cause mild odor. Odor happens due to bacteria mixing with sweat. The belly button hosts harmless bacteria. Researchers have found diverse microbes in navels. Most of these microbes are normal skin bacteria. Rarely, infections can develop. Signs of infection include redness and pain. Swelling may indicate irritation. Discharge or pus requires medical attention. Persistent itching may signal fungal infection. Cleaning with mild soap is usually enough. Cotton swabs can help clean safely. Avoid sharp objects for cleaning. Keeping the area dry prevents bacterial growth. People with deep navels collect more debris. Obesity may increase sweating in the area. Excessive sweating increases lint stickiness. Wearing breathable fabrics reduces buildup. Trimming abdominal hair may reduce lint formation. Scientific experiments have confirmed hair direction matters. Hair grows in circular patterns toward the navel. This directional growth channels fibers inward. The phenomenon has even won humorous science awards. Researchers used shaved versus unshaved comparisons. Shaving significantly reduced lint formation. Lint collection is a mechanical process. It is not caused by internal body waste. It does not come from inside your stomach. It is purely external fiber accumulation. In most cases, belly button lint is completely normal and harmless.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.